Welcome to TikTok Ad Training Kit Chapter 7. TikTok Ad Groups. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at TikTok ad groups. Step by step. So let's get started. Once you are in the TikTok Ads Manager, click the Create an Ad button and here you can start creating ads. Select your advertising goal. In this example, we will select traffic, then name your campaign. Click the Continue button, and you are now in the ad group. Here you can set placements like your ads only appear on TikTok or also on other networks. Then you can also set custom or automatic targeting. You can set demographics when you choose custom targeting. You can also set the target behaviors of your ads. At the bottom you can set your advertising budget. So ad groups are where you set your target audience and also your advertising budget later. See you in the next tutorial.